Okay, so this is how we take cut out a head to use in the animation, in the character design. First of all, we'll make the this character. We first of all make this photograph in the right size. It should be at 72 dpi. I'm pressing Control Alt I. Control Alt I, thank you, and I'm changing the resolution to 72. That's good. Now it's very small, but as you can see, I'm just seeing it in 16%. I'll go to 100, and then I'll start cutting off the head. I'm using the path tool. I chose it, and then I go around and I drag. After I click with the path, I drag it slightly, so I will have a nice curvy line and not not a straight and bulky one. Okay, I'm doing it quickly. I'll cut the hair, and I'm cutting around the chin. I don't take the neck with me. I'm just doing work using the dragging it slightly. I can go back after that and make the cutting more accurate if I need to. Okay, I don't have any feather or anything like that. I'm just cutting the head as I need till I get to this point and I finish. Now I have the whole work path. As you can see here, I click in the path window on selection, make selection. Here it is. Control C to copy it, Control N to make a new document exactly in that size, Control V to paste it in. Now let me check the size. It's rather big. I can reduce it to let's say 550 pixels. Okay, and then I save it, Control S. I save it in the right file at PNG format. I call it bride head front. That in that case I had something that wasn't very good, but the name is right. Save. Okay, and then I go to Flash. I enter the scene. In that specific case, it's called Women Uniforms. You will get the files you need with the right close. I double click it. I go to the head. I double click it again. As you can see, the head has some expressions. Okay, I will be replacing the head. I'm creating a new layer. I'm importing using Control R. I'm importing the head. Okay, it's rather big. I could make it smaller. I will press Q to make it smaller, to change the size of the head. By the way, I'm keeping the head for the meantime, the old head, just as a reference for the side, because I don't want to have to think too much about is it the right size. I know that the basic head that was there was in the right size, so now it's okay. Cool. I will delete the old head, and now I will zoom in and see that it sits right in its place. I want to keep the expressions. Then I will lock my new head, and I will use Edit Multiple Frames to choose all the frames at the same time. I will be dragging this top thing. Control A lets me select all the layers and all the frames I have here. I will choose the arrow tool and I will pull it slightly to the head. After I finish that, I see that I have another expression. I'm not sure I will use it, but it's good to have that option. Okay, at least to have the blink. Okay, fine. Now, in case I want to change the color of clothes or color of skin, how do I do that? How do I do it quickly? Okay, I press Control F Instead of text, I choose color. Now, this helps me to find and replace. I choose the color of the skin as it is now. I choose the color of the skin from here, for example, and I'm clicking on replace all. And as you can see right away, it replaced all the frames. If I wanted to change to the color of clothes, I would choose, for example, this color, and then let's say that color, and tell him replace all, and you would see that all the colors were replaced. It's important to change also the color of the shades. Okay, I hope it makes it clearer now, and thank you.